What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today we got some Milwaukee tools right here. We got these sweet new impact sockets for taking off wheels. So I got a car over here, I got a B5 Audi S4 right here. We're about to bust some wheels off, but instead of using these normal sockets on my Milwaukee impact, which can kind of scratch up wheels here, we'll demonstrate. Nah, just kidding. So these can scratch up wheels a little bit when you're removing and putting them in there, where these new ones from Milwaukee right here, we'll go ahead and bust these open. They're all 1/2-inch drive, and this is the full set. You can actually buy the individual sockets as well, but here's the kit, nice and pretty. We got the metrics in the gray color right here, and we have our standard sockets in the red, so it's easy to tell the difference. You can see right here, it actually has that rubberized plastic coating on the outside, and these numbers on the side are super visible. They're 17 mil, so we'll go ahead and bust this wheel off. So I'm using my 2769-20 impact driver. We'll pop this thing off, this impact wrench. You can see you can throw them into the wheel and not worry about scratching it at all. So that is today's totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed. Later and wrench on.